Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's content. As always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. Looking at the overall market, you guys can see we are starting to see a little bit of a red across the board, which is to be expected. As I've been mentioning on my channel for quite some time, that we're still in the bearish end of the spectrum. But today, guys, I want to look further into Dogecoin and see what's happening with the price of Dogecoin and where we could be going in the immediate short term. So Dogecoin family, if you're looking at the price of Dogecoin right now, it is currently trading at 8.9 cents, up 9.6% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also up 10.1% in BTC comparative over the last 24 hours. Market cap is currently sitting at $12.29 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at 1.39 billion. Our current rank in the cryptocurrency market ranking is at the top 8th spot. So that's definitely something nice happening with the Dogecoin price, and it's definitely outperforming the entire market as of now. But now let's get right into the charts and see what exactly is going on and where we could be going in the immediate short term. What are some price targets we should be looking at? So let's get right into it. If you are a Dogecoin holder, you do want to watch this video till the absolute end, and also do not forget to smash that like button and let me know in the comment section below if you guys are enjoying these updates and you guys want me to make more of them. Looking at the price of Dogecoin right now, this right here is a daily time frame. The reason as to why I bring up the daily time frame is to really educate my viewers about the historic price patterns of Dogecoin over the past years, and it really gives us a better understanding as to what has happened with the price and where it is currently sitting. So as you guys can see, before this massive upwards trend that we have seen last year, for Dogecoin hitting an all-time high of 74 cents, guys, 74 cents. And this always makes me absolutely shocked every time I think about this, because I've been in the markets for about 8 years when it comes to cryptocurrencies, and I've been hearing about Dogecoin for quite some time. And that time people used to overlook Dogecoin. Hey, it's just another like crappy coin on the markets. No one really saw it going where it really went. And Dogecoin created a lot of millionaires, multi-millionaires, and that just goes to show that you never know which coin will take off. And Elon Musk is obviously one of the main factors as to why Dogecoin really saw this massive success that it has seen in such a short immediate time. But this just shows like it depends on the community, the hype factor, and it has gone to some next levels. And now obviously, if I do bring up the measuring tool for you guys can see it has retraced its all-time high from last year, about 88%, which is to be expected. Remember, we're still in a bear trend. But what Elon Musk has done with Dogecoin is absolutely insane, guys. Despite the fact that we're in a bear market, despite the fact that this is a meme coin, quote unquote, at this point, but you guys can see the market valuation at $12.3 billion. What does that show you? That shows you there's a lot of interest in this, and I believe this is going to be one of the only few, I think the first coin that is going to be used in the real world as a payment method. And I think Elon Musk is going to really make that happen. Looking at the price, as you guys can see over the past few months, this is the zoomed in version to really show you what has been happening over the short term period. You guys can see we had this massive spike towards the upside. This mainly happened after Elon Musk bought Twitter out, and that news was confirmed. We saw it go all the way towards the upside, but never really managed to break out of this level of resistance into the 78.6. And this shows us that 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level is a massive price resistance that we do need to have crossed on our end. Obviously that was not the case, and then obviously we saw people taking profits and so on, and we saw the FTX collapse. So talking about the FTX collapse, that's something I want you guys to keep in mind. Let me go on the hourly chart to show you guys a better picture. So this right here is what has been happening with the price of Dogecoin. So FTX collapse happened on November 9th, and look how well Dogecoin held. Dogecoin had a drop of about 30%, 35% on the day of the FTX collapse, but look at this recovery. It has basically recovered for the lows that it hit then at the 7.1 cents after the FTX collapse. That just shows you the strength that Dogecoin has right now on its end. And I believe Elon Musk is going to implement Dogecoin onto Twitter platform and really take this coin to the next level up. Excuse me. And that just gets me super excited, and that goes to show I always kick myself, honestly. I remember when Dogecoin was way below a penny. And I was looking at myself at, last year when the prices were going absolutely insane. I was like, oh man, what a major miss out. But imagine the people that just like found their stash on like random wallets that were sitting with like millions of like Dogecoins, and Dogecoin being at 73 cents. Imagine like what your reaction would be. Imagine you're sitting at like 5 or 10 million Dogecoin, which back in the day, back early on was like worth maybe like $100 or something. And imagine you log into your wallet and you see, oh, that's a cool couple million sitting in my wallet. What's going on? And you see the Dogecoin, absolutely insane. But that just goes to show it should be a learning lesson for everyone. As long as you have done your due diligence and research and have invested what you can afford to lose, patience will be your number one key to follow. But as far as Dogecoin is concerned, my main target for Dogecoin right now, before the fireworks happen, in my opinion, is the fact that we need to be above this level of resistance at this 16 cents mark, and you guys can really tell why this level of resistance is so important. We have seen a couple wicks after the massive correction earlier this year when we went below this level of support, and we saw it try to break out here one time, two times, three times, but every three single times you guys can see it was a rejection. All three times rejection. And could this third time be the charm? The fifth time be the charm? Can we really start heading back towards the upside? It depends. We have seen Doge make a move about 10% today. And maybe it is some whales, or not only whales, maybe something is happening behind the scenes. Like, insiders know some sort of news that is going to impact the price, or like some exciting news. We don't know. And that could be the reason as to why we're seeing a spike happen within the price. But we will find out if that is the case, or it's just people getting excited in terms of Dogecoin. But looking at BTC, this is something I do want you guys to keep in mind. Obviously, we are entering the weekend tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday. But if you are a regular viewer on my channel, you already know that BTC is sitting at some very, very dangerous levels. And I've been mentioning this for quite some time. Obviously, the FTX collapse happened, and I believe FTX was a major factor as to why we saw this massive drop in the price of Bitcoin. And obviously, whales try to manipulate the markets as well, take the advantage of the FTX collapse and really dump the price of BTC. And we saw BTC create a double bottom, 2 yearly lows, double bottom, and right now we're sitting at 16.5. And again, I'm not excited at all. We need to see the price of BTC at least in the 78.6, or most importantly in the above the 22k mark, which we're nowhere near. And as we go into the weekends, we could see a little bit of an upside, because obviously manipulation occurs on the weekends. CME futures are closed, but I still do believe, to be quite honest, that we do have more downwards trend for BTC as far as that is concerned, and the sooner that we hit it, the better it will be. But as far as Dogecoin is concerned, overall having a very good day, outperforming the overall markets. My next target obviously would be this level of resistance. We're still quite a ways from there. If I do bring out the measuring tool for you guys, we're still about 80% away from there. Obviously, it's going to be a gradual move towards the upside, but it will be very exciting. But let me know in the comment section below what you guys think, where you could see the price of Dogecoin go at the end of 2023. What is your strategy? What is your game plan? Do not forget to let me know in the comments, and let me know if you guys are enjoying these updates. Smash that like button. Come join the Crypto ZX family. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.